independent school. Today I will tell about why first aid is important. First aid is emergency care of treatment given to an ill or injured person before medical services arrive. Sablon. Sablon is important. If we had a cart, we can.
My name is Vaidya and I am from Independent School. I read in class 4. Today I will show the first aid box. It is a scissor and a bandage to cut the bandage.
Hello guys, my name is Naziba Tasmia and I read in class 4. And this is hexasol. This is used to sanitize our hands so we don't spread any germs.
Hi guys, my name is Roshi Roy. I'm from Independent School. I read in class 4. These are new strips. These are very important for small cuts.
Hi, my name is Sumaya and I study in Independent School. This is thermometer and it is used to measure our temperature.
And hexasol, we also use it to cure it so the infection also doesn't get severe. This is orsaline. If people have diarrhea,
Accident happens suddenly, it causes injury and damage. Our wealth, we often hear about or see accidents. We might have accident ourselves and now and then.
First aid is emergency care or treatment given to an ill or injured person before medical services arrive.